So normally I just say that, I'm currently building in this location. So I try not to like give them any promises. So that way they're not, like holding their breath, especially in the building phase. So I try to be as open as possible. I never like let them know that I'm new or like, that I don't know what I'm doing. I just say like, I'm building in this area, right? That could mean a lot of things, right? Then you'll be able to change your wording up when that changes and you have like reoccurring clients and you have good marketing, you have increase of clients coming in. The best thing to do is just keep in contact with them because people are nervous to hire first before they get clients. But it's best that your cleaners are waiting versus your clients waiting. I like to get the days they work, right? Because like even when you hire them and you onboard them onto your platform and they let you know their availability, because it can change, life change, appointments happen, and all the things can definitely change. So that way I don't have to worry about booking the job and possibly having to cancel or possibly having to reschedule. So pricing is definitely key because that's the really the only way you can make sure to try to get like a good ROI, right? Best thing to do is to do like market research, just making sure that you are having like fair market prices within your area because you don't want to lowball. And then you want to also make sure that you are servicing the right area as well, the area where you can charge those prices. It just takes a little time to where you're literally searching out different companies within that area. When you haven't had a job yet, right? I just borrow them from Google. Okay. I literally go on Google and I'll search, living room before and after pictures, kitchen, master bedroom, a deep clean, a post construction, and I'll literally just borrow pictures from Google until I have my own. And I make sure that like the quality is good, it's clear, it's not fuzzy. I also make sure there's no logo or there's no wording on it and the lighting is good. So I want to make sure that the pictures are good, right, overall. So that's pretty much how I find my pictures in the very beginning until I can get my own. No, I would definitely recommend letting her know what the prices are. You don't want to get used to like lowering your prices for clients, right? Because it's like once you get into that groove, you'll just be so accustomed to do it, you'll always do it. What she's used to paying is not a part of your payment structure at all. Now, of course, and then of course, like with your reoccurring, you already have a discount, like you already have the percentages down for reoccurring clients, right? When I think about lowering my prices, I think about the cleaner because I need them to stay. I need them to be happy cleaners, happy customers, happy company. They produce great work and that allows, to produce more clients, more reoccurring. I normally charge anywhere from 25 to 35, but I would do the market research in your area and see what other people are charging for their add-ons for pet hair. And then also see if people are charging per pet. Because that's something that I've seen a lot of other companies starting to do to where like they're charging that per pet. Some people got a whole zoo living in their house. And like I have to like take that to account. I hope this has been helpful and I will see you guys on next week. All right. You guys have a good night.